Alright lads, so we're doing a oil change on this bad boy. Alright, all you need, good quality oil, modal. Been using these guys for years. I use all their products for everything, brake fluids, chain cleans, lubes, everything man, especially oil. Next you need a funnel and you need a 17mm socket. That is literally it. Now I do it, as I said, I do my oil. Oh, and you need a rear bike stand obviously to keep it level. I'm gonna pull my bike out of the garage so it doesn't stink. Go turn your engine on. A few minutes, 5 minutes, I just leave it on. That's so the oil fucking stays thin and drains out a lot smoother. But yeah, you want the oil to be thin, be heated up, drains out nice and easy for you guys. Alright, let's go. Bang, done. Alright, I forgot a measuring cylinder. Why I need a measuring cylinder is because if you can see the oil gauge here, you can't see nothing. Most bikes will write how much here, 220ml. If you're changing the oil filter as well, add another 300ml on top, so 2.5 litres. So now I've got to measure out 2.2 litres and I'm going to pour it in there. So just, yeah. There we go. Pan to catch as well, forgot about that. What can you do? Could chop and edit, make it look like I didn't forget, but hey, it's all real, mate. So I'm going to fill up 2 100ml, 1000ml, and then 1 200. First things first, loosen the cap. Yep, loose. That's all you need to do, just loosen up. Put that 17mm away to right at the end. Now, you're going to slowly unscrew this, right? And eventually it's all going to just pop out. It's going to flow out. It is impossible to do it without getting oil on your hands. Now I'm so confident, I'm not even wearing gloves. I reckon I can do it. 1, 2, shit. Okay, ready? 1, 2, oh. Yeah, I fucked up. That's not bad. Before we do anything though, I'll clean this after and I'll show you. You get shards always left over from like the pistons and shit. Alright, that's next. Take the cap up. Boom. Pops out. How easy, how smooth is that? I just want to drink it. Fuck, maybe I'll run better, I don't know, man. Done. There's a drain. Alright, now we close the cap. It's hand tight. This weekend I'm going to do a chain clean. Show you a quick and easy way of doing it. Well, the way I do it, there's a million fucking ways of doing it, but show you a nice simple way of doing it. What sprays I use, technique, and literally done in like 5-10 minutes. So simple. Alright guys, catch you later.